this is my freezer. I open my door of the freezer, and this is the hole, and if this hole is blocked by ice, and then your water will be overflow and will come down here, come down, it will come to the outside of your freezer, and it will destroy your floor. So what you want to do is you either turn off your freezer and wait for a while, or you just use some hot water or hair dryer and melt the ice and remove the ice. And then what's going to happen is, if you look at the bottom of the freezer, there are pantry like that. And look at that. When things are going smooth, your water is supposed to come down and then should be evaporated in this pantry. Okay.